In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Whop account. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent. You'll lose access to any memberships, purchases, or content tied to that account. If there's anything you might need later, such as invoices or important files, it's a good idea to download or save those first. Once you're ready, follow along step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Whop website. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to delete. When you're signed in, you'll land on your Whop home dashboard. This is your main hub, where you normally see your memberships and activity feed. Give the page a moment to fully load so all the menu options appear correctly. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile icon there. This might be your avatar, your initials, or a small profile picture depending on how you set up your account. Click on that profile icon. This will open a small drop-down menu with more options related to your account. In that drop-down, you'll see a gear icon, which represents your settings. Go ahead and click on the gear icon. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage things like your profile details, preferences, and security options. Once you're on the settings page, find and click on the section called Account Security. The wording might be slightly different depending on updates to the site, but you're looking for the security area of your account settings. After you open that section, slowly scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page. Take your time so you don't miss anything important, especially if there are warnings or information about what happens when you delete your account. At the bottom of the account security page, you'll see an option labeled Delete Account. Click on that. Whop may ask you to confirm your choice, enter your password again, or complete an additional verification step, like a confirmation email or code. This is completely normal and is there to make sure the deletion is intentional. Follow any prompts that appear on the screen and confirm that you do want to delete your account. Once you've completed those steps, your Whop account will be scheduled for deletion and you'll no longer have access to it.